Okay, the sound of music. Evelyn Glean listen to sound without hearing it. बेसिकली मैं पहले आपको हिंदी में समझाता हूँ ये स्टोरी जो है किस बारे में है. ठीक है, बेसिकली ये स्टोरी का एक लड़की के बारे में है जो म्यूजिक में जिसने बहुत ज्यादा प्राइजेस जीते थे. ठीक है ना. लेकिन क्या हुआ, ये स्टार्टिंग में जब 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 ये पैदा हुई थी ना, तब तो ये क्या डेफ नहीं थी. डेफ मतलब बहरा है ना. तो ये बहरी नहीं थी, इसको सुनाई देता था, डेफ नहीं थी ये. लेकिन धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ, इसको आवाज आना बंद हो गई थी. इसने ये क्या सुन नहीं पाती थी, लेकिन बिना सुने भी इसने बहुत अच्छा म्यूजिक ही कंपोज करती थी. तो बहुत सारे लोग जो थे वो बहुत शॉक्ड रहते थे कि भाई जो इंसान सुन नहीं सकता तो वो म्यूजिक कंपोज कैसे कर सकता है इतना अच्छा. और इसको खूब सारे अवार्ड्स मिले थे नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे. ठीक है ना. और इसका जो म्यूजिक का जो सेंस था ये बहुत ही अच्छा था. ये जो म्यूजिक को सेंस करती थी अपनी बॉडी पार्ट से. मतलब अगर तेज म्यूजिक है तो कुछ कोई बॉडी हाथ से इसको सेंस करती थी, लो म्यूजिक है तो पैर से करती. मतलब ये एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं मैं. तो ये अपने बॉडी पार्ट से म्यूजिक को फील करती थी. जो म्यूजिक से जो वाइब्रेशंस आती है ना, उसके बेसिस पे ये अपना म्यूजिक कंपोज करती थी. समझ में आई बात. फिर बात, हाँ, फिर इसने ना जो जब अवार्ड जीते, खूब सारा पैसा आ गया, तो इसने बहुत सारे चैरिटी वर्क किया. और इंस्पिरेशन थी ये ऐसे लोगों के लिए जो म्यूजिक में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं. ठीक है ना. और इसने जब खूब अवार्ड जीत लिए इसने, तो जो ये हैंडीकैप पर्सन होते हैं ना, उनको प्रमोट करने के लिए इसने बहुत ज्यादा वर्क किया था. ठीक है. चलिए, तो अपन अब स्टार्ट करते हैं अच्छे से चैप्टर. ये बार बार लेफ्ट क्यों हो रहा है ये हर्ष सोनी, क्या हो गया उसको. चलिए, है रश आर क्राउड्स. हर्ष क्या हो गया बेटा, ये बार बार लीव क्यों हो रहा है. हैं. Rush hour crowds jostle for position on the underground train platform. A slight girl looking younger than her 17 years was nervous yet excited as she felt the vibration of the approaching train. It was her first day at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London, and daunting enough for any teenager fresh from a Scottish farm. But this aspiring musician faced a bigger challenge than most. She was profoundly deaf. मतलब क्या हो गया basically, many people were waiting for train and they were in the underground train platform. Okay. In the ground, author is saying that a a teenager girl who is about to नहीं she is younger than 17 years. She is very uh, small girl, younger girl. Okay, and she was so excited to join prestigious music academy, which was Royal Academy of Music, which was in London. And she was so she was excited as well as nervous. And in the nervousness, she was excited because she felt the vibration of the approaching train. She felt that train is uh, coming, because I told you earlier that she sensed something with her body parts, and with the help of the vibration, she felt different vibration in her different body parts. She was from Scotland, and she was from uh, her occupation was father's occupation was, he was farmer, and the girl was aspiring musician. एस्पायरिंग म्यूजिशियन मतलब क्या होता है? म्यूजिशियन बनना चाहती थी वो, ठीक है ना. बट द चैलेंज शी हैज टू फेस इज शी वॉज डेफ, प्रोफाउंडली डेफ. अच्छा, इसमें एक प्रोफाउंडली मतलब क्या होता है? कंप्लीटली डेफ. एक होता है ना, कुछ थोड़ा थोड़ा सुनाई देता है ना, धीरे नहीं सुन पाते, तेज बोलो तो वो डेफ होता है. लेकिन हेयर प्रोफाउंडली डेफ मीन्स शी वॉज कंप्लीटली डेफ. Evelyn Glennie loss of hearing had been gradual. Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong when the 8-year-old Evelyn was waiting to play the piano. They called her name and she didn't move. I suddenly realized she had not heard, says Isabel Glennie. For quite a while, Evelyn managed to conceal her growing deafness from friends and teachers, but by the time she was 11, her marks had deteriorated and her headmistress urged her parents to take her to a specialist. It was then discovered that her hearing was severely impaired as a result of gradual nerve damage. They were advised that she should be fitted with hearing aids and sent to school for the deaf. Everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn. Basically क्या बोल रहा है कि she was not born deaf, she gradually became deaf. When she was 8 years old, she was losing her hearing, and because of that, her marks also gradually deteriorating. So her headmistress asked her parents to take her to the specialist or the doctor. Then they took her to the specialist. After that, the doctor saw her, or you can say what, inspect her, and the conclusion was that she was losing her hearing because of the nerve damage. And when she was 8 years old, she hid her deafness from her parents and from her friends. But when she became 11 years old, ठीक है ना, she lost her hearing completely. By the time of 11, she lost her hearing completely, and this deafness Her mother sensed her when she was 8 years old. Her mother sensed that something is wrong with my child, because when her mother called her for piano lesson, she couldn't hear, she didn't respond. So she knew that something is wrong with my child, that she is not listening. So when the doctor confirmed that she is deaf, or because of her nerve damage she couldn't hear, and so after learning the fact, Evelyn said she was sad and everything became black. मतलब वो बहुत सैड हो गई थी और हर जगह उसको ना सब कुछ ब्लैक ब्लैक दिख रहा था कि यार अब क्या होगा मेरी लाइफ में, मैं तो म्यूजिशियन बनना चाहती हूँ और जब मेरी वॉइस ही नहीं आएगी मेरे को तो मैं कैसे म्यूजिशियन बन पाऊंगी। तो जो डॉक्टर था उसने एडवाइस किया कि that Evelyn should use hearing aid and she should go to the school which is for deaf students, deaf child। ठीक है ना, समझ में आ रही है बात? किसी को कुछ पूछना है, कुछ पूछना है? बुद्धू, जो पूछना है ना क्लास में पूछ लिया करो। अच्छा, but Evelyn was not going to give up. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. One day, she noticed a girl playing a xylophone and decided that she wanted to play it too. Most of the teachers discouraged her, but percussionist Ron Forbes spotted her potential. He began by turning two large drums to different notes. Don't listen through your ears, he would say. Try to sense it some other way. Says Evelyn. Suddenly I realized I could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. मैं बताया था ना कि वाइब्रेशन जो थी, हायर नोट्स जो होते थे किसी भी चीज के, वो उसको बॉडी के अपर पार्ट में फील होता था, और लोअर नोट जो होते थे वो उसको बॉडी के लोअर पार्ट में फील होता था। बेसिकली क्या बोल रहे हैं इसमें कि ना, because of her deafness, people treated her differently, but she wanted to lead a normal life. And one day she noticed that a girl was playing xylophone, so she asked her teachers to allow her to play xylophone, but all the teachers discouraged her because she was deaf. So teacher said, you won't be able to play xylophone because of your deafness. So they asked her to do something else. But the pianist, percussionist कौन होता है? The person who played drum or tabla. He said he helped her. He placed two drums with different notes and he asked her to sense the notes or hear with your body parts, not through your ears. So she tried to sense, and after a while, she sensed that her upper body part sense higher drum notes, and her lower body part sense lower drum notes. बेसिकली उसका जो अपर पार्ट था वो हायर नोट्स को फील करता था, और जो लोअर पार्ट था बॉडी का वो लोअर नोट्स को फील करता था. ऐसे ही क्या हुआ, शी लर्न to sense different notes through her what different body parts. ठीक है, आवाज आ रही है मेरी? She never looked back from that point onwards. She toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16, she had decided to make music her life. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the Academy. She gradually moved from orchestral work to solo performance. At the end of her 3-year course, she had captured most of the top awards. Basically, ये क्या बोल रहा है कि ना, when she learned how to sense the vibration through her body parts, she was determined, and she was hardworking girl. So by the time she toured the United Kingdom with youth orchestra when she was 16, and after that she decided that she wanted to make music her life, means she wants to pursue something in music. So she gave a test of Royal Music of Academy which was in London, and she scored highest marks in the history of this academy. So the duration of her course was 3 years, and by the time she finished, she captured most of the top awards. When she was in school, she was learning, she got most of the top rewards or awards. ठीक है. अब what is toured? टूर मतलब जैसे अपन घूमने जाते हैं ना, जैसे कॉन्सर्ट होते हैं, और टूर एक जगह मतलब आप रहते कहीं हो और ना हर बार कहीं ना कहीं दूसरी प्लेस पे, नई प्लेस पे जाते हो, उसे हम टूर बोलते हैं. ठीक है ना, समझ में आई बात? इसमें बोल रहा है कि उसने ना यूनाइटेड किंगडम का टूर किया था विद यूथ ऑर्केस्ट्रा. ऑर्केस्ट्रा मतलब म्यूजिक ग्रुप होता है, ठीक है ना. और जब वो 16 की थी तब उसने मोस्ट ऑफ द यूनाइटेड किंगडम उसने देख लिया था, और बाद में उसने डिसाइड किया कि म्यूजिक को ही वो एज अ प्रोफेशन का मतलब आगे बढ़ेगी उसी में ही. और उसने ऑडिशन दिया रॉयल अकेडमी ऑफ म्यूजिक में, और उसको बहुत हाईएस्ट मार्क्स मिले अकेडमी की हिस्ट्री में. सबसे ज्यादा किसी को नहीं मिले थे, उसी को ही मिले हैं. ठीक है ना. और धीरे धीरे उसने क्या किया, ऑर्केस्ट्रल वर्क से मतलब ग्रुप बैंड के साथ काम करना छोड़ के धीरे धीरे वो सोलो परफॉर्मेंस में आगे बढ़ी. और जब 3 इयर्स का कोर्स खत्म हुआ, तब तक उसने बहुत सारे टॉप अवार्ड जो हैं उनको मतलब जीत लिए थे, मतलब उसको मिल चुके थे. समझ में आई बात?